Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can remove the background of video in just one click in Filmora 13. So let's get started the video. First you have to open the Filmora 13, click on new project. So I will show you my Filmora version. Click on about, it is 13. So now go to the file and open any video. I will show you how you can remove. For example, I will open this video. You can see that the background is green. So now select this and click on this and also click on chroma key. You can see that the background has been perfectly removed. I will show you. You can also remove the background with this pin. So I will undo this. For this you have to click on this. So now click on chroma key and you can also select with this. You can see that. You can also remove another color. If the background color is another, you can choose in this colors and you can also try this one. So now if you change the background, for this I will open another video. For example, I will open this video and now take place here. So now play this. You can see that the background has been perfectly removed from this video. I will small this. Now if you small the subscribe button and like button, so select this and small this. So now it is correct. Now play here. You can see that very nice way I will change the background of my video. In this way you can also change another background, another color. Try this one and also try this. That's all in this video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the video.